Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a handwriting effect in MS PowerPoint. If you click like this, it will do the effect like it's writing on that page. So for doing that, there is a simple steps we have to follow. First step is to write the text, whichever text you want to apply as a handwriting effect. Next, take a hand image from the internet, then apply animation to the text and then apply animation to the image. Now I have this text and I want to insert a writing effect to it. Now I will use Sago print, which is available with me. It's looking like a handwritten. I will change the color of it. I will place it in the center. Next thing I will do, insert picture. I will search it where I have kept it. Then hand image I want like this. Now if your hand image is with some background, just select it, click on the color, click on the set transparent color and click where you don't want that background. Now it is removed like this. Now I will crop little bit because the hand is little bit bigger than my text like this. Done. Now again I can reduce the size of it by using this. Next thing what I require to do is select the text, click on the animation, click on the appear one. Now I have to insert the animation pen. Now here you can see the text school and the auto I have to do it 0.5 like this. Next thing I have to do is insert animation to the hand. Just click over here, click on the motion paths, take a custom path. Once you take a custom path, the mouse is converted into a pen. Now you have to override the text which you have written like this. There is no need to be exactly overdrawn, or you have to just move your cursor all over the text which you have written so that your hand will move in that particular direction. So that is the use of custom path, and that's why we are writing it with the cursor. So in that manner it will move. So once you're done with this, next thing you have to do is press escape. Now here you can see it is writing very much fast. So I have to reduce it some and I will click on it, effect option, start smooth to the 0 and the timing, and it should be with previous and click OK. Now still it's moving little bit fast. So what I will do, I will again play it. It's again moving very fast. So I have to adjust the timing according to that, and I have to again preview it. Now they are coming in one time. So I will click on it. I will right click on it, effects option, animate text. I will take by letter and click OK. Now if I preview, they are coming very fast way. So again I will click over there and I will click on the effect option, or I will increase the timing, and again I will see what happening. Again I have to reduce this time They are coming little bit. 5. I will increase it. This is a trial and error base. Now in my condition, what I have done like this, if you see the preview, it is going by flow. Now what is requirement here is the duration is 0.15 for my text, and for my picture is 6. Now if your text is little bit bigger, I have to take it 6, or this is a trial and error method. You have to check it according to your text. Now here you can see it is writing properly. Now one more thing what I have to do is I have to remove my hand when the writing is done. So I have to go inside a custom path, click on here, click on the timing and repeat none. Next one is if you want to insert some sound, again you can insert any kind of sound here. If you want to hide animation after, then you can do that. Now here you can see once it's done, it will be removed. So in this way you can remove the hand. In this animation what we have done, we have kept our hand as it is after completing the writing on screen. In this we have removed our hand just by using the custom option available there. Now there is option available, you can uncheck that and it will be appear on the screen. That is, after animation we have to hide the hand. So if you want hand after the writing, you can keep it, and if you don't want, you can hide it. In this way you can do a handwriting effect in MS PowerPoint. Only you have to follow this 4 simple steps. First write a text, then take a hand image from the internet, then apply animation to the text, then apply animation to image. According to your words or the text, you have to adjust the timing and it will be done properly. If your hand is moving faster, you have to reduce the timing. If it is going slower, you have to increase the timing. So that thing you have to decide as per your text. Thank you.